here is one of my builds. It's a Bring Scania 730 with some LED lights. I even have some lights in the poppy. That looks pretty nice. And some lights on the roof and some horns. And I painted the rims white, and it's a 30-footer container. It's all italeri. This is one of the newest trailers of italeri, and the truck is modified. It's one more axle on this truck too, and I have some pipes at the back. I have a picture made it from, so I think it turns out pretty good. And I have some paint in it, some plain green modelmaster, and some satin black in the front. So and it's one of my Brings trucks, and hope you enjoy the build. It's not too bad. So thanks for watching.